In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check turnover in Zoho Books. Let's dive in and make this process as simple as possible. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Reports module, which you can find right there in the left sidebar. Make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account to get started. Once you're in the Reports module, you're looking for the Sales section. This is where things get interesting. Within that section, you'll find an option called Sales by Customer. Click on that, and we're well on our way to understanding your business's turnover. Now, let's talk about some of the key metrics you'll come across in this report. The first one is Sales exclusive of tax. This number represents your total revenue from invoices, but it doesn't include any taxes. It's a great way to see how much money your business is bringing in from the core operations without any additional charges affecting the bottom line. Then, we have Sales with tax. This figure includes taxes and shows you the total revenue. It's important to keep an eye on both of these numbers to understand the full financial picture. Another important metric to check is the invoice count. This tells you how many invoices you've issued in the selected time period. Understanding the volume of your invoices can give valuable insights into your sales performance. Now, if you want to make the most out of this analysis, you'll want to explore some customization options to tailor the report to your needs. The first step you can take is adjusting the date range. Choose a time frame that makes sense for your analysis. Whether you're looking at last month, last quarter, or the entire fiscal year, it's entirely up to you. If you're aiming for a comprehensive view of your sales, consider including sales without invoices and sales returns. This option will give you a broader perspective on revenue, capturing even those sales not tied to specific invoices and accounting for any returned items. Lastly, think about incorporating manual journals, but only if they apply to your situation. These are entries you've manually added that might affect your recorded turnover, offering a full reflection of your business transactions and financial standing. And there you have it, a clear path to checking your turnover in Zoho Books. By following these steps and utilizing the customization options, you'll gain valuable insights into the financial health of your business. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, please share it with others who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.